BlackMoldRemediation.com, your online source for all things related to black mold, how it affects your health, and the buildings you enter, presents another mold story. This story comes from WATE Channel 6 in Tennessee, Nashville area. It's a short story, but it's very, very important, and it addresses problems in the governor's mansion. Now, we know that our wonderful government does a wonderful job, but maybe they don't do the best job at finding contractors to build the buildings, because the governor's mansion has to be completely redesigned to address leaking and mold growth. Now, the first point made in this article is that they're redesigning the entire facility, still designing it underground, but will have new materials, new state-of-the-art design that will prevent mold and water penetration into the building. Once again, they're even saying here that this has plagued yet another state-built below-ground building. We know that moisture and cellulose and humidity levels are what cause mold to grow. We know the damage it causes, and we know how much it costs to repair it because you have to replace everything. Yet we still build buildings that are not designed properly. And this, once again, is another example of that. Now take a look at this. The original building was built back in the mid-70s, and they've already had problems with it. And the state spent about $14 million renovating it to repair leaks and water damage from the roof, which obviously led to mold growth. This is already done one time, and now we have to do it again. Now, to give you an idea of how much has to go into the renovation, the officials are saying that the new meeting hall will have a sloped, mostly grassy roof and a continuous concrete shell, along with 2 waterproofing layers to protect it. Now, hopefully that will take care of the problem. But if it doesn't, once again, we're not fixing the problem. Mold will return. If moisture comes back into the building, we know we're going to have cellulose-based materials. We're going to have drywall and carpet and paneling and things like that inside the building. So if moisture returns, once again, the same mold problem will occur. So as much as we try, the most important part of this whole process, even if we build buildings underground, which we shouldn't do, if we do this, the most important part is to remember we must stop water penetration completely and keep it from getting to the cellulose-based materials. Otherwise, mold will return. So there you have it, the latest news in the mold industry, once again presented to you by BlackMoldRemediation.com. To find more information on this topic, more information such as videos, downloads, and articles about black mold and how it affects your home and the buildings we're in, visit our website online at www.black-mold-remediation.com and click on the link for media downloads. You'll be able to find a ton more videos and a lot of downloads to give you more information on this topic. Until next time.